AI logistics and package delivery. AI logistics and package delivery. Beginner level. Introduction. AI logistics and package delivery refers to using artificial intelligence to manage, optimize, and automate the movement of goods from warehouses to customers. Logistics and delivery systems are essential in e-commerce, online shopping, courier services, supply chain management, warehousing, transportation networks. AI helps these systems become faster, smarter, more efficient, cost-effective. Examples of AI in logistics and delivery include smart route planning, warehouse automation, package tracking, delivery time prediction, ETA, fleet management. This topic helps beginners understand how AI powers modern delivery systems used by companies worldwide. What is AI logistics and package delivery? AI logistics and package delivery is the use of AI to manage and optimize the movement of goods. In simple words, AI logistics equals using smart systems to move packages efficiently from sender to receiver. A beginner-level system includes order processing, warehouse management, route planning, delivery tracking, fleet optimization. Why AI logistics is important. Logistics systems face many challenges: high delivery demand, traffic delays, fuel costs, poor route planning, inventory management issues. AI solves these problems by checkmark reducing delivery time, checkmark optimizing routes, checkmark improving warehouse efficiency, checkmark tracking packages in real time, checkmark reducing operational costs. Key features of AI logistics systems. Feature purpose. Route optimization, find best delivery paths. Warehouse automation, manage inventory efficiently. Package tracking, track delivery status. ETA prediction, estimate delivery time. Fleet management, manage vehicles and drivers. Example logistics data. AI systems use data like logistics_data equals packages 200, vehicles 10, traffic moderate, warehouse_capacity 500, closing curly bracket. Simple logistics example: packages equals 200, vehicles equals 10. Print packages per vehicle. Quote: packages, vehicles. How AI logistics and delivery works. Step 1. Order processing. Orders are received and prepared for delivery. Example: orders equals 50. Print processing. Orders. Step 2. Warehouse management. AI organizes items in warehouses. Example: inventory equals 300. If inventory less than 100. Print restock needed. Step 3. Route planning. AI selects optimal routes. Example: routes equals route A 45, route B 30, route C 50. Closing curly bracket. Best_route equals min. Routes. Key equals routes.get. Print best route. Quote: best_route. Step 4. Delivery assignment. AI assigns packages to vehicles. Example: packages equals 100. Drivers equals 5. Print packages per driver. Quote: packages, drivers. Step 5. Real-time tracking. AI monitors delivery status. Example: status equals out for delivery. Print package status. Quote: status. Step 6. Re-optimization. AI updates routes if needed. Example: delay equals true. If delay. Print rerouting delivery vehicle. In warehouse automation. AI helps sort packages, manage inventory, use robots for picking items. Example: items equals 50. If items greater than 40. Print use automated sorting system. In route optimization. Finds fastest delivery paths. Routes equals A 25, B, 20, C, 30, best equals min, routes, key equals routes.get, I in package tracking, tracks delivery progress, status equals in transit, print, tracking, quote, status, I in fleet management, manages vehicles and drivers, vehicles equals 8, deliveries equals 80, print, deliveries per vehicle, quote, deliveries, vehicles, I in ETA prediction, estimates delivery time, distance equals 30, speed equals 60, eta equals distance, speed, print, ETA, quote, eta, hours, full menu-based logistics system, Python, def process underscore orders, orders equals int, input, enter number of orders, quote, print, processing, orders, def warehouse underscore check, inventory equals int, input, enter inventory level, quote, if inventory less than 100, print, restock needed, else, print, inventory sufficient, def route underscore planning, a equals int, input, route A time, quote, B equals int, input, route B time, quote, C equals int, input, route C time, quote, routes equals A, B, C, best equals min, routes, key equals routes.get, print, best route, quote, best, def assign underscore packages, packages equals int, input, packages, quote, drivers equals int, input, drivers, quote, print, packages per driver, quote, packages, drivers, def track underscore package, status equals input, enter package status, quote, print, current status, quote, status, while true, print, N1, process orders, print, 2, warehouse check, print, 3, route planning, print, 4, assign packages, print, 5, track package, print, 6, exit, choice equals input, enter choice, quote, if choice equals 1, process underscore orders, if choice equals 2, warehouse underscore check, if choice equals 3, route underscore planning, if choice equals 4, assign underscore packages, if choice equals 5, track underscore package, if choice equals 6, break, else, print, invalid option. Concepts learned from this topic. Learning AI logistics helps beginners understand. Checkmark supply chain basics. Checkmark route optimization. Checkmark warehouse management. Checkmark real-time tracking. Checkmark scheduling systems. Real-life analogy. AI logistics is like a smart delivery manager who organizes packages, assigns drivers, chooses best routes, tracks deliveries, handles delays. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding real-time GPS tracking, map API integration, machine learning models, warehouse robot simulation, delivery priority system, multi-stop optimization, dashboard UI, common mistakes beginners make, cross-mark ignoring warehouse management, cross-mark using static routes, cross-mark poor package assignment, cross-mark not tracking deliveries, cross-mark oversimplifying logistics systems. Where AI logistics is used. AI logistics is used in e-commerce companies, courier services, supply chain systems, warehouses, retail businesses. Advanced systems include automated warehouses, drone deliveries, robotic sorting systems, predictive logistics. Simple definition: AI logistics and package delivery. The use of artificial intelligence to manage and optimize the movement of goods efficiently. Final summary. AI logistics and package delivery is a key real-world AI application. It helps beginners learn checkmark supply chain management, checkmark optimization techniques, checkmark real-time tracking, checkmark automation systems. It plays a major role in modern e-commerce and global trade.